You guys know what I hate the most. Currently, I'm trying to install one of my antennas, and now I need to use one of these stock antennas from another miner, and I need to use some of my adapters to connect this to my Pisces miner, because this antenna, you hear this? It's destroyed. Oh, god damn it. But always a good case that I have another antenna with me. Hey guys, as you probably have noticed in my intro, my Pisces antenna is broken. It is literally destroyed. It is not physically on the outside destroyed, as you can see. I have a little adapter here because I will plug in my nano VNA in a second. But it is making a noise. You can probably hear this, yeah? So I put on my adapter and now I can plug in my nano VNA to show you exactly what I was talking about in the intro. I believe that I destroyed my antenna via transportation. I just threw it in my trunk, and I haven't used any kind of safety for this antenna, so probably, yeah, it's done by myself. Yeah, so let's plug this in and let's see what we can get from our nano VNA. Okay, so yep, the antenna is literally dead. Let me grab it. So normally, if you have antenna, the blue line over here, the SWR, I'm sorry, the SWR line should show something, even if the antenna is just laying around. And I can quickly show you what I mean by this with another antenna. I will show you the difference between a working one and a destroyed one. So what I'm measuring with this device is basically that I'm trying to figure out how good can my antenna hear and how good can it send, probably. And you can get a first example of this via looking at the blue line, and here you can see this. In the last video I made about the nano VNA, I also mentioned that you need to consider how high this number here in the top is, because this number represents a number that you need to keep an eye on, because the closer you can get with an antenna to the 1, the better this antenna is. And this line is, I mean, sure, it can differentiate. Even if I hold onto the antenna, you see it changes because I am changing the antenna signal strength, or the antenna interference with metal, with electromagnetics overall. So if you put something on your antenna, you literally change your antenna. So as you can see, I'm just it's nice. So yeah, but I want to show that this antenna is working. We have SWR of 1.5 currently inside, so this measuring is not accurate. It's just for overall purpose, that you can imagine how good or how bad an antenna could be. If you really want to measure your antenna, you need to plug in like the nano VNA to your computer and then screw on the antenna and like walk away 50 meters and try to measure your antenna on a field where nothing is in the close range. But for the example of taking a look if the antenna is still working or not, it really is enough to just screw it on and to take a look on the blue line, and we can see we have a number of 19. It is not even changing if I hold my hand to it. It's like from 19 to 20, 19.5 to 20, but that's it. So nope, this antenna is deaf and dead. So yeah, that's just a little bit of an update video. I replaced my antenna with the stock antenna from my rack. I mean, it's working for now. I need to order a new antenna, and then I can make another update video on how I change my antenna and how my final position will be on the house I showed you before.